guys, this is Veronica, and today I want to show you something that I've been waiting for, and I'm excited for you to see. And this is the first time that I'm going to see them too. I got this in the mail, and I've been waiting for them. Look at the envelope. I love the color. And let me open it so you can see what's inside. I'm going to love it. I'm sure of it. It didn't. Oh my god! Look, these are so pretty. Come see. You want to see? Oh my goodness, these are beautiful. Sprinkles. Oh my goodness, I love them. Look. Yes, I love it.
They're beautiful.
Oh my goodness, they are beautiful.
Take this one, see, Mom, and see.
I ordered these are the sample size, and it's I think it's 2 ounces. It's like 1/4 of a cup. But look at this. I like the packaging and everything. It comes with this little note. Look at the packaging. Look at this. It has those little stars are beautiful. And the color combination, I just love it. This is a unicorn sprinkle mix. This one right here, this is my favorite, I will say, just because I love the purple. And it has purple, different shades of purple. It has some silver dredges. This is beautiful. I really like this one. The name for this one is Perfectly Purple Sprinkle Mix. Isn't it lovely? Look at this one. I think the name for this one is Heart's Desire Sprinkle Mix. And I think for this one, it would be the Electric Love Sprinkle Mix. The color combination, like I was saying, I really love it. Oh, look at this one, the unicorn one. It also has the little unicorn cutouts. So this is how this sprinkle look. You can see the cutouts and all the colors and 6 slits. Look at the stars and those little hearts and gold stars. I just can't get over this purple color. It really makes me happy. Okay, let me decorate some cupcakes so we can see these beautiful sprinkles on a cupcake. Oh my goodness, they are beautiful. These sprinkles are awesome. They add like a touch of elegance and cuteness to these cupcakes. And to be honest with you, I'm not a sprinkle person. The only sprinkles that I've used are the ones that you can find at the store. And these are more like custom made. And I mean, really, they are awesome. I really like the detail that it comes with these sprinkles. Like the little 6 slits, I think it's the name. And the color sugar, the dredges, and I mean everything. The little cutouts for the unicorns, the hearts, everything is so nice. And they look very nice. So if you want to look over the website, the brand is Sprinkle Pop, and the website it's sprinklepop.shop. They're not paying me for this review or anything. I'm gonna put the website in the description box below. And if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more videos like this one. And if you're looking for more tutorials or recipes, don't forget to check out my website, behindthecake.com. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.